On this Miele dishwasher I have a problem with the inlet and drain, which is to do with a degraded non-return valve, and this video shows how to replace that, which is easy once you have the part. Open your machine, remove the filter container by moving that handle to clockwise, the white handle, and that exposes the non-return valve, which is located in here. The issue is that ball bearing that sits in there. If you can see it in there, it's getting degraded. So if we just pop the rubber out, there's the ball bearing, and it's a non-return valve, but it's knackered, so time to be replaced. And while you're at it, always good to give the impeller motor a quick spin. You can get caught up with a whole load of gunk, and also maybe give that thing, it looks okay, pop that back. So you can see there's bits and pieces of food and so forth, but it should be okay. That's spinning freely, nothing gumming it up. So on with the new non-return valve. Here we have the two parts. The new part is on the left and the old part is on the right. As you can see, a big difference in colour and the way one has come apart. We'll swap the new one in for the old. This thing pops on easily. A little clip here guides you. So basically it just fits over the impeller motor blade. There, oh yeah, that's in. Yeah, that felt satisfying. So, there we go. Now we'll select a quick wash. Start this bad boy up. All working good. Made in Germany, where else would you get it? There you go. Job done, lads. I recommend you buy your spares from Buy Spares for all your spare part needs. Ordered 2 days ago, came today. I give them 5 out of 5.